Aksyon Balita!
Brigadier General Romano Cardillo, sir, Governor Manuel Sagarbarria Jr., DBBI, Manuel Sagarbarria na. Of course, Vice Governor Fritz Diaz, Congresswoman Maisa Sagarbarria, LMP President Mayor Chang Uy, Board Member Kiyo, representing Governor Villa of the province of Siquijor, Police Brigadier General Banawagan, DRDA of NIR, sir, to the RDs present here today, city mayors, provincial board members of the province of Negros Oriental and Siquijor, sa tanan nga naa diri karong buntaga, our police officers, our men and women in uniform, force multipliers, Rotary Club members, maayong buntag kanatong tanan. Good morning. I have heard the messages of our city mayor of Dumaguete City and Congresswoman Maisa, and I would like to reiterate the same pledge of support to our Philippine National Police and the DILG for launching this one very important program for the province of Negros Oriental. Kung meron man po na nakakaintindi kung gaano ka-importante ang peace and order, security and safety, ako po yun. Because of what happened to my late husband 3 years ago. 911 will prevent crimes from happening. It will respond to our people who will experience emergency cases and situation in the province. And to concretize my support, in the coming days, nag-usap na po tayo kanina, RD, about it, with the support and the strong endorsement of our governor, together with the ICT Secretary Henry Aguda and Vice Governor Fritz. We will also be launching a smart district. Ipapakita po natin the 80-20 principle that says, even with less, we can do more. And it will still be in relation to peace and order, security and safety of the people of the 3rd Congressional District of the province of Negros Oriental. Nandito po kami ngayon for the 911. Yung nangyari po sa amin, ayaw namin mangyari sa iba. It is difficult to adjust to a situation where you lose loved ones, partners who are with you to sustain and support your family. Pero alam ko po at naiintindihan ko po that the infrastructure alone, the 911 program alone, without people with a heart and a conscience supporting the program, will not do us any good. I pose a challenge to our men and women in uniform today. Walay trabaho nga walay risgo. Kita tanan nga nisulod sa serbisyo publiko sa natang sa pag-deliver og security and safety sa atong katawhan. Dunay risgo ang maong trabaho. But in my belief, when you took your oath, it was your solemn vow to protect this very community where we go home to every day. Inaasahan po namin, we will never be out of reach in giving our utmost support to PNP. Lalong-lalo na po, pagseryoso din po talaga ang PNP na patuloy na gabayan and to keep this community truly safe and secure. So, with that po, maraming salamat. Looking forward to meeting you again, General Carlino for our Smart District launching in a few days from today. Maraming salamat. Good day sa ating lahat. God bless us all.
Aksyon! Balita! Walay pugong-pugong mubulgar sa kamatuuran sa kanginan.